that they are dynamic. To do that, we work with dynamic elements. Bring in a new block, empty one. I'll move it to the top. The easiest way to explain this is to bring in an image element. Select it and go to the image settings, and notice where you would usually click to upload the image. There is this silver icon that appears. Now, this icon also appears in video elements, countdown, counters, and ratings, and a few others. And this indicates a dynamic element. This means that you can use it within blogging as well as in assets. When you select it in this case, tied to this post is only one image called the featured image. And you can choose under featured image between the custom or the original. I'll select custom, and you get the normal functions here like filters, mask. Under colors, you can apply an overlay, hover effect, you can link it, and then you have the regular settings for styling as well as animation effects, even scroll effects. The principle is that this is a dynamic element and the image comes from the one that we've uploaded within the post when we had created it. The same is done for post title, and with that, the text element has a lot of power. Let's bring in the text element, click on it and go to T for typography, and you notice the server icon over here. Select it and the options as within the post appear here. You have custom text, which it is currently set to, then the post title, and now you style it out like you would normally do. I'll give it a heading 1. Let's change the color, bring in another element. Select it, select the server icon. Let's put the excerpt under that. We keep it on paragraph, but let's go ahead and reduce the height a little bit and give it another color like this green, just to jazz it up a little bit. And then we can bring in one more text element. And let's say this will be the date on which we had published it. All of this content is drawn dynamically from the post. And this way you can build it out by creating a global block that serves as a template for each and every post.